These are some of the advanced questions on the area of the polygon. Let's see. I will try to do all of them. If one interior angle of a polygon is, that means each interior angle is given one of the, and how many sides does it have? It's for the regular one. They didn't mention it. They should have, but that's okay. So you have each interior angle. What is the formula for each interior angle? You can check my video on interior and exterior angle. It is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n will give you each interior angle. I will cross multiply. So n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 168 times n. I will distribute it here. 180 n minus 360 is equal to 168 n. Subtract 168 from both sides. That is 180 minus 168 is 12. So 12 n is equal to 360. So n is equal to 12, 3, 30. So n is equal to 30 is the first answer. I hope you guys got it. Moving on. Find the area of the triangle, round to tenths. So area of the triangle means you need to find the height of the triangle, height. So in this triangle, you can use the opposite over hypotenuse sine ratio to find the height. So sine 62 is equal to h over 17. So h is equal to 17 times sine 62. And keep your calculator in degree mode. Sine 62 times 17 is 15.01. Height is equal to 15.01 meter. That is for question 2. I hope you guys got that one. Moving on. Question number 3 is again very easy question. Question number 3 is like area of a parallelogram. If I take this as the base, then this will be the height. Area of the parallelogram will be base times height, 8 times 3, which is 24 inches square. Now if you change the base and the height, if this is the base and this is the height, then area of that parallelogram is, base is x, height is 6x basically, but we know the area is 24, so x is equal to 6, 4, 24, so 4 inches. So you got the x as 4 inches. Moving on. Question number 4. Find the area of the triangle, half base height. So you have to find base also and height also. So in this case, you can find height by using sine ratio. Sine 30 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So h is equal to 10 times sine 30. It should be 5, but I'm still checking. Sine 30 times 10. Yeah, it is 5 inches. And you can use this side. Let me put it as x. How will you find that x? With angle 30, it is cos. So cosine 30 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So x is equal to 10 times, I hope it is visible, 10 times cosine 30. So cosine 30 times 10 is 8.66 inches. So I got x as 8.66 inches. You can see h and the bottom, this is same. So y is same as h, which is 5. Y is same as h, which is 5. So if I add, it is the whole thing. X plus y is the base. Base is x plus y, which is 5 plus 8.66. So 13.66, and height is 5. So what will be the area of the triangle? Half times base times height. Base is 13.66 and height is 5. So 13.66 times 5 divided by 2. I got the answer is 34.15. 34.15. And what is that? Inches square. I hope you got this answer too. So next one is, we did 4th question, 5th question. On the 5th question, area of the shaded region will be outer. First of all, what will be the area of shaded region? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of outer hexagon minus area of inner hexagon. Right, outer hexagon, this is H hexagon, and inner hexagon. So first find the area of the outer hexagon. If you observe outer hexagon, this is 90 degrees, so apothem is given. You have to find the side length. To find the side length, the triangle I'm talking for the outer hexagon, outer one. So apothem is equal to 12, and the triangle is something like this. Apothem is 12. Since it is a hexagon, central angle will be 36, and half of 36 is 18. You can check my previous video, which is for the angles, the apothem video. You can get an idea how it is 18. Then you need to find this side x. So with this angle, it is tangent. Tangent 18 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So x is equal to 12 times tan of 18. 12 times tangent of 18 is 3.899. So I'm just rounding it as 3.9 meter. But x is not the whole thing, right? You have to do it multiply by 2. That way you will get multiplied by 2, 7.79, and 3.9 multiplied by 2, 7.8. Yeah, roughly 7.8. I'm just rounding it out. Yeah, 7.8. It's approximately that much. So you have the side. This is the side length, which is called S. Side length, you got it. And you have the apothem as A is 12. Side length as this. So what will be the perimeter? It's a hexagon. 7.8 times 7.8 times 6 is 46.8 meters. So you have the perimeter. So what will be the area? Area of the outer hexagon is half AP, which is half. A is 12 and P is 46.8. 46.8 times 12 divided by 2 is 280.8. Is that true? Area is equal to 280.8. You can check my answer, double the calculation part. I'm just doing it. 280.8 whole meter square. That is the area of the outer one. I'm erasing everything. Let's find the area of the inner one. For the inner one, apothem is missing. So it is like this. The triangle is like this. This is 12 and apothem is missing, and the angle is still 18. So adjacent over hypotenuse means I'm going to use now I'm doing the inner hexagon. So apothem is missing for the inner one. This is apothem. 12 is given as the radius. So I will use cosine 18 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So A is equal to 12 cosine 18. So 12 cosine 18, I got that as 11.41 meter. That is the apothem. You got the apothem. You need this x. You can use the sine ratio. Sine 18 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which means x is equal to 12 sine 18. 12 sine 18. I got 3.7 times 2, 7.4. So side will be 7.4. So you have the side, you have the apothem. What will be the perimeter? 7.4 multiplied by 6, 44.4. Now you have the perimeter, you have everything. Find the area. I'm still talking about question 5. Okay, area is half, apothem perimeter. Half, apothem is 11.41 and perimeter is 44.4 multiplied by 11.41. divided by 2, I got 253.30 something. And now you can subtract the, so area of the shaded region will be equal to outer one. I have to check what was the answer of 280 something, 280.8 minus what is this one, 253.30. I hope it is visible what I'm writing. 253.30 minus 280.8, 280.8. So I got the answer as 27.498 or 27.5. I don't know that is the answer or not, but you guys can check it. That is for 5th question. Okay, let me make another video. I'll make another video from question number 6 onward.